Breaking news. The FBI has issued an urgent warning to Apple and Android users about cross-platform texting risks. Hackers are exploiting vulnerabilities in SMS and MMS messages to intercept data, putting your privacy at serious risk. In this video, we'll explain why this is happening, how it affects you, and what steps you need to take immediately to stay safe. Let's get started and secure your communications. What's happening? Why iPhone to Android texting is dangerous. When iPhone users send messages to Android users, the texts are delivered as SMS or MMS messages instead of encrypted iMessages. These standard texts are sent unencrypted, meaning hackers can intercept and read the messages in transit. This creates a major security vulnerability that cybercriminals, particularly advanced groups like Salt Typhoon, are actively exploiting. They're targeting unencrypted communications to steal sensitive information like 1. Personal data, names, addresses, bank details. 2. Account credentials. Two-factor authentication codes. Or sensitive photos or files shared via text. This issue primarily impacts businesses, government officials, and everyday users who send personal information through texts. What to watch out for? Signs your messages are at risk. Here are the major warning signs to watch out for. On iPhones, unencrypted messages sent to Android users display in green bubbles instead of blue. This indicates that your messages are not protected by encryption. Unexpected pop-ups or delays. If you notice unusual delays in message delivery or notifications about failed texts, it may signal interference. Phishing texts or suspicious links. Hackers often insert fake links into intercepted messages, tricking users into clicking malware-infected websites. Request for personal information. Any request for sensitive data, like banking details or verification codes, over text is a red flag. How to protect yourself. Step-by-step action plan. Follow these steps to secure your communications and avoid falling victim to this threat. Step 1. Switch to encrypted messaging apps. Stop using standard SMS or MMS text for sensitive conversations. Instead, use apps with end-to-end encryption such as 1. Signal, completely encrypted, open source, and highly trusted for privacy. 2. WhatsApp, owned by Meta, offers full encryption and supports secure voice and video calls. 3. iMessage, for iPhone to iPhone conversations, ensure messages display in blue for encryption. Encrypted apps ensure that only the sender and recipient can read the messages. Step 2. Avoid sending sensitive data over text. Never send passwords, bank details, or personal data through standard texts. If you need to share important information, use encrypted platforms or secure password managers. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Ensure all of your accounts, banking, social media, email, use 2FA with an authentication app like 1. Google Authenticator. 2. Authy. 3. Microsoft Authenticator. This adds an extra layer of security in case a hacker intercepts your text messages. Avoid relying on SMS for 2FA whenever possible. Use apps instead. Step 4. Update your devices and apps. Regularly, hackers exploit outdated software to intercept messages and install malware. To stay protected, regularly update your phone's operating system, iOS or Android. 2. Keep all messaging apps up to date. Updates often include patches for security vulnerabilities that hackers target. Step 5. Be aware of phishing scams. Phishing texts, smishing, are becoming more advanced. Watch out for texts that 1. Include suspicious links or attachments. 2. Pretend to be from your bank, service provider, or delivery company. 3. Demand urgent action like verifying your account. Never click on unknown links or share information through texts. How Cyber AI Pros can help you stay secure. At Cyber AI Pros, we specialize in protecting individuals and businesses from cyber threats. How we can help you. 1. Advanced tools to monitor for phishing attempts and unsecured communication. 2. Security solutions to protect your devices from malware and hacks. 3. Expert advice on transitioning to secure encrypted messaging platforms. Visit cyberaipros.com to learn how we can help you stay protected in an increasingly digital world. Conclusion. Take action. Now to secure your messages. The FBI's warning about cross-platform texting is a wake-up call for all smartphone users. Hackers are exploiting unencrypted messages to steal data, but you can protect yourself by 1. Switching to encrypted messaging apps like Signal or WhatsApp. 2. Avoiding sensitive data in SMS messages. 3. Enabling two-factor authentication for all critical accounts. 4. Keeping your devices updated and avoiding phishing texts. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on staying safe in the digital age. Drop a comment below. Are you using encrypted messaging apps? Let us know your thoughts. Stay secure, stay informed, and let's outsmart cybercriminals together.